everyone! Enrollment for AOJ Language School Spring Semester 2025 is now open. We have free trial lessons and school information section for you. Start your journey mastering your Japanese this spring. First month completely free. Cashback for 1 month tuition fee for those who complete the semester. Free trial lesson available on March 9 and 16. Experience the classes that match your level before enrolling. Free trial lesson schedule is like this. That's not all. Join our online information section on March 8 and 15 to discuss the enrollment and tuition direct with our representative. The application deadline is March 18, 2025. Apply now and take the advantage of up to 2 months of tuition-free learning. Let AOJ Language School guide you to achieving your dreams and mastering your Japanese.